What's going on YouTube? It's your boy D.4 here, coming back with another video. Today, it's actually Tuesday. The video is going to be uploaded Wednesday. So yeah, we're just moving along on this daily upload. But today, as I have spoken on, we are going to talk about if I make money on YouTube, and if so, how much I make. So I know this is probably a video a lot of people want to see. A lot of people want to know, is this YouTube thing, is it worth it? As you guys saw, hopefully you guys saw, you watched my video from yesterday, tonight that I uploaded it, what has helped me be where I am, or get me where I am today when it comes to this YouTube stuff. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in the video. Alright, so like I said the other day in my video, I've been on YouTube since August. I think my first upload was August of last year. So I've been on YouTube for a little over a year now. It was never about the money, and really didn't think making money off of YouTube was even an option for me. Just a guy with the boosted V6, just didn't think that it was something in the cards for me. But thanks to you guys, thanks to the subscribers, thanks to the viewers, yes, I do make a little bit of something off of YouTube. So I have my laptop here today, and we're just gonna dive right into it. So I'm gonna show you guys some things on my computer here, and then we will kind of show you what I look at, what other YouTubers look at, how everything breaks down, how we get paid. We're gonna just shoot it on my GoPro, so it's only right that we. Let's go ahead and switch. Let's switch camera lenses here. All right. So we got the camera lens switched here. All right. Yeah. Should I put this on the car? You think I should put that on the car? I've had that thing for God knows how long. All right. So as we can see here, this is just from the last 28 days. We're having everything is in the green for me right now, from likes, from dislikes, comments, shares. The only thing that's is down is the average view duration. That's how long people stay on your video there. This can vary, definitely. If you have times where you have longer videos, and there's gonna be times where you have shorter videos. So when you are, when you're shooting a video, that's something that you have to think about. Is it something that's really negative? That depends on how you look at it. Then we go down to the top 10 videos. We're just gonna look at the very top one, which is my exhaust setup compared to a Hemi. This is just off the past 28 days. We are almost at 160,000 watch minutes. We're at almost 50,000 views, and revenue for this one is $352 there. So this is always something good to take a look at, see where everything is at, see where you are. One thing that I say is, as you're shooting your videos or you're uploading your videos, don't think that this video is going to make it big or you're going to make a lot of money off of it right away. That may not be the case. That Hemi, or that exhaust compared to a Hemi video, is a few months old, and it did good in the beginning, and the next thing you know, it just started kind of blow up a little bit. So you just never know what's going to happen. Another great tool we have here is Google AdSense. This is kind of like YouTube or Google's portal when it comes to getting paid here. So this shows the same analytics from that you would see from YouTube. Pretty much shows, but this is the money. This is where money talks at. So it shows you the page views. This is the last 3 months. It breaks everything down for you. It talks about how much you're going to get paid. So right now it looks like this upcoming paycheck here should be $392.98 after taxes and all that stuff's taken out, and Google takes their cut. My last payment was $114. The crazy thing was I didn't get paid last month with just a lack of upload. But like I said, I started this channel. We're going to go to my payment history here. We are going to, let's see, view transactions. Let's see, I want to view, is it on all transactions? Let's see, duration, all transactions. Oh, no, there it goes. So I want to see all time. Like I said, I haven't been on very long, so we scrolled down. So we got the first video was uploaded sometime in August, I believe. It could have been July, but I'm almost certain it was August. That month right there alone, I made $12.95. That's not enough for a paycheck. In order to get a paycheck from Google, you need to hit a $100 threshold. So September time frame came around. I did not hit it. As you guys can see, I missed it by 91 cents. But that October time frame, I got my first YouTube check, and as you guys can see, that first YouTube check was $139.83. Ever since then, I think this has been my highest, $241, 200, almost 200 bucks. On average, I would say I've been averaging about. Anywhere between 150 to 220 on a paycheck. There's been just a few months out there where I didn't get a paycheck, and that's just totally my fault. Like I said, when it comes to this is like a full-time job. You have to create content, you have to upload, you have to edit, you have to respond, and there's been times where I take a step back and I don't, and that reflects when it comes time to get paid. So is there money out there for YouTube? Yes. There may be opportunity for you to get paid more. There may be opportunity for you to get paid less. But some of your YouTubers might hate that I show you this, but this is something that you guys probably already know. This here's a fun website here. It's called Social Blade here. And what you can do is you can go in and type in d.forward here. And what this does, we'll go ahead and search. What this does, it's going to pull me up here. We'll go ahead and click on me. And it's going to take you to my page off of their Social Blade page. And what this does, it kind of gives me a total grade for my channel. It talks about my uploads, my subscribers, my views. It talks about my subscriber rank compared to what I am compared to every channel out there. My video views rank, Social Blade rank, they also rank you. Talks about my views the past 30 days. My subscribers the past 30 days were up 117%, and the views were up 148%. It talks about my monthly earnings. Okay, right here it says I earn anywhere between 17 bucks and $273 a month. And it talks about my yearly earnings being as low as $204, but no higher than $3,300 there. But as you guys saw, this can be a little off. Sometimes it's right on, sometimes a little off. We're making this, like I said, this month I think almost about 400 bucks there. So you know, you can take this with a grain of salt there. But then it also goes into a little bit more per day. This is actually pretty cool to kind of see per day where you are. So we look at, this is November 28th. We were at 5193 on subscribers, and here we are today live at 5433. Let me check to see if that is. Don't want to give too much info out. It's taking too long. We'll come back to that. So it shows 5433. That is up a decent amount from yesterday and the day before, and you can kind of see what it's doing daily. Also talks about the video views, and it talks about their earnings per day also. And like I said, you can take this, you can type in any of your favorite YouTubers. I'll type in the Stradman. The Stradman. Let's see what the Stradman makes. So we'll go right here to his channel, and you know his grade is a B+. You can see his subscriber rank and his video rank, his Social Blade rank. It shows that he makes anywhere between $2,700 to $43,000 a month. That would be nice. And his yearly estimated revenue is $32,000 to $524,000. That's a great amount to have. Again, same thing. You can take a look at his subscribers. He is earning a gang of subscribers per day. I say on average about 3,000 subscribers a day. So he is literally surpassing my subscribers in 2 days. And you can see his revenue. And yeah, so you can take a look at that. Like I said, some of your favorite YouTubers might hate that I did that. But like I said, that information's out there. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys already know about it. But like I said, I like to keep it real with you guys. A lot of people like to kind of fake the funk when it comes to how much they get paid. But the information's already out there. You can just go on a website, type in your favorite YouTuber's name, and you can find out how much they make. So, with that being said, why not give it to you guys? So, that's going to be today's video. Tomorrow's going to be our regular uploaded video. Nothing too crazy. Then we're going to have our Q&A on Friday. Like I always say, make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend. I'm going to catch you guys tomorrow. I'm going to catch you guys Friday. And you guys enjoy. All right, we out.